We've just acquired this really very rare one-off Focus EcoBoost ST line. A lot of extras on the car. Really nice and tasteful. It's got the carbon fibre front splitter, diamond cut alloy wheels, red mud flaps, carbon fibre side to skirts, rear spoiler extension, rear diffuser between exhausts, and it does sound really nice. It's got rear park distance control. The boot area is all in lovely condition. Red stitch pipe in half leather. ST line inside. It's a really low mileage car, done 9,875 miles. So it sounds nice. Got full climate control. It's got satellite navigation, cruise control, multi-function steering wheel, automatic headlights. Just loading the map there. It's got sync, it's got Bluetooth phone prep, touch screen on the sat nav, 6-speed gearbox, absolutely no wear on it whatsoever. It's in absolutely fantastic condition. At DJH we offer full dealer facilities including finance, warranty and part exchange. If you require any further information, please give us a call on 07 503 751 005. Thank you.